Hey, good morning, boys and girls. I figured that I would do your lesson from my home today because we have been talking about Keisha Ann and the things that she can do at school. And we were also talking about that little girl in school days and the things that she could do at school. Well, your school looks a little bit different than their school does, doesn't it? You've been doing school from home. So I figured I would do today's lesson from home. I want you to be thinking about all those things that Keisha Ann did at school. I want you to be thinking about that little girl who went to school and how their school day was. And then I want you to think about your school day, what it is that you do during your school day. Now, Miss Jeannie and all the other teachers, they work at the schoolhouse, and most of the days we're sitting right here in front of the computer making lessons for you guys or communicating with your parents and you. So that's what my school day looks like. I can teach. Your school day looks a little bit different. So today we're going to model our writing after that little girl that was in school day. All of the pages started with the same word, and the word was the word I, because it was talking about her. So if I was to write something about my school day, I would start it out with I, and it looks like a straight line down with a line on top and a line on bottom. That's the capital I, and we start sentences with a capital I. Now, I don't know about you guys, but some of you, I think, know some of your letter sounds, and some of you just don't know them yet because we haven't taught them to you yet, and that's okay. So the next part in your sentence, you might need a grown-up to help with. But I want you to be thinking about what you do. So if I were to say, this is my day at school, I teach. Teach. I hear a sound at the very beginning, and it makes a t sound. I know what that beginning sound is. Teach. If that's all you can get on your paper, just the beginning sound of your word, that's perfect. And then you can have a grown-up fill it in. So I'm going to be the grown-up and fill it in. And put a period at the end to say that my sentence is done. So what I do at school is I teach. And then I'm going to draw a picture that matches that. Like in that school day book, all of the pictures that we saw matched what we read. So I want you to do the same thing today. Write a sentence about what you do at your school, at home. Maybe while you're at home, maybe you get to go play outside. Maybe you want to put down that you learn. I don't know what it is that you do at your house. I would know what you do at school, but since you're not at school, I want you to write about what it is that you do at your home. So, and then tell me what it is that you do, and then draw a picture that matches. My picture is going to be of me sitting at a desk with a computer on it. Now, I'm just drawing it really, really fast. I want you to take your time. I teach. So, I can't wait to see your writing, and I would appreciate it if you would take a picture of it and drop it in your boxes so that we can see what it is that you do at your house. See you tomorrow. Bye.